As the European Union introduces the European Union Deforestation Regulation, or EUDR, it is now mandatory for exporters to provide precise geolocation data for each sawn timber product entering the EU market. To comply with EUDR, it's crucial to submit detailed geolocation information in GIGSIN format for every timber product entering the EU market. The EUDR mandates a comprehensive traceability process that tracks the origin of timber from its initial source through every stage of the supply chain. This begins with timber logging in forests and continues through sawmills, plywood production, sawn timber processing, and engineering wood industries. The regulation also extends to downstream sectors, including wood furniture manufacturing and other wood-based industries. Each product must have documented geolocation data at every stage of processing to ensure full traceability and compliance with EUDR standards. The geolocation data must be recorded in GIGSIN format, adhering to the WGS 84 geolocation standard. EverRise Technology Sendrian Berhad. Established in 1990, we are a Malaysian-owned company with a team of dedicated IT professionals. We're certified for various industry standards, including MSc status, HRDF training provider, LHDN PCB certification for payroll system, e-invoice service provider, and more. Since 1994, we've been developing software for the timber and wood industry. Our solutions have evolved from DOS applications to today's sophisticated client-to-server, cloud-based, mobile application, and IoT technologies. We have developed software solutions tailored for every segment of the timber and wood supply chain. Our expertise spans from the upstream activities such as timber logging, timber logs trading, and rubber logs, through to plantation timber logging. We also cover sawmills, plywood factories, kiln drying plants, sawn timber processing facilities, furniture manufacturing, and other wood product industries. Our eSoft Sawn Timber ERP system is designed to not only meet but exceed EUDR requirements. It is fully EUDR ready and also integrates e-invoice capabilities. Additionally, the system is equipped to advance into Industry 4.0, utilizing real-time data collection and IoT device deployment. The EUDR-compliant eSoft Sawn Timber ERP system encompasses a comprehensive suite of modules, including timber logs purchase, timber log stock management, bandsaw processing, stacking, kiln drying, bundling, shipping, and delivery. During the timber logs purchase process, the system allows you to record the geolocation of the compartment or plot of land. You can input this data manually or import it via GIGSIN file, Excel file, or through an API. This geolocation information can be seamlessly transferred from timber log suppliers to the Sawn Timber ERP system using any of these methods. The system supports manual input of geolocation data in the Curtao 1948 format and automatically converts it to the WGS 84 format required by EUDR. Additionally, it accommodates the input of bearing and distance coordinates, converting these to WGS 84 geolocations. The converted WGS 84 data can also be downloaded. You can import geolocation data by clicking the Upload button and selecting either GIGSIN or Excel format. The system will retrieve the geolocations from the file and convert them into the WGS 84 format. Once converted, you can generate and download the WGS 84 GIGSIN file with just a click. The system can generate a QR code for each timber log that contains the geolocation data. We've established a web service that allows users to scan the QR code and view the geolocation information for the timber logs or sawn timber directly on their mobile phones. No mobile app download is required. Simply scan the QR code to access the geolocation details. When timber logs are removed from stock for the bandsaw process, the system registers the bandsaw output along with the geolocation data. A batch number is generated to track the geolocations of the original timber logs, ensuring traceability throughout the processing stages. Sawn timber is organized and stacked into bundles, with each bundle tagged with a QR code that indicates its geolocation. After stacking, the bundles proceed to the kiln drying process, whether handled in-house or outsourced to a supplier. Throughout this process, the system records geolocation traceability for each conversion. A new batch number is generated for every bundle conversion, ensuring that the source and output bundles are accurately mapped with their respective geolocations. The same traceability flow applies during the bundling process. Geolocations are tracked from the previous stacking and kiln drying stages. Each bundle is labeled with a QR code that provides detailed information, including its geolocation data. When bundles are exported to EU traders, the packing list or invoice will include a QR code that indicates the geolocations. This QR code is also present on the labels attached to the bundles. Scanning the QR code will reveal the geolocation information for each bundle. The Sawn Timber ERP system is both expandable and customizable to accommodate additional downstream processes as needed. It is also designed to support Industry 4.0 principles, enabling real-time data collection through mobile PCs and IoT devices, with seamless integration via mobile applications.